Lisette here from JVS Insurance. Today we're going to talk to Karen Ortiz. She has been with JVS Insurance for 13 years now, ladies and gentlemen. She's recently married. She has 3 beautiful kids, and for the past 13 years, she's been focusing on the homeowners insurance side. So she's been helping clients do renewals, servicing, everything from head to toe. But for the past 7 years, she's been helping clients, simple homeowners like you and me, protect their most valuable interest, which is their homes. So let's dive right in, because I want our viewers to get to know you a little bit. Karen, tell me, when did you get into the insurance industry and how?
Okay, well, pleasure to meet you guys. Like she mentioned, my name is Karen Ortiz. I have been part of JVS for 13 years. It actually happened 13 years ago. Me and Lisette were having just a girls' dinner. Casual talk, normal stuff, catching up with our daily life. And she spoke to me about JVS, and she was giving me a little bit of insight of what she's going through in her professional life with the business. And I was very curious to learn about it because, she's into not only JVS, but she goes to Tallahassee, does a lot, but that's something else. But
we were having dinner. I remember that day. I actually remember that day. I think it was sushi, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And so I'm like, oh, are you hiring? Are you looking for someone? And she goes, actually, I am. And I'm like, okay, well, how quick can I start? She's like, Monday.
She started that Monday.
And I've been here since.
Yep. So let's talk a little bit about the industry and the business. How is business affecting your customers today? How do you see today's market, and what are some feedback you're getting from your customers?
So definitely the market has been tough for the past couple of years. A lot of carriers have skyrocketed their premiums, or they've gone into bankruptcy.
Underwriting guidelines have tightened up.
Yes, and just it's been a very tough market, to say the least. But definitely here at JVS, myself, what I do is I pretty much help my clients with having accessibility to getting into other carriers, right?
Yeah. And access to a lot of carriers.
It's hard because we do have access to many, but not everyone qualifies. So it's a little bit of more strenuous work. I have to make sure that the property fits in the right company. But it's gotten a lot tough. It's very competitive out there. So my forte here at JVS is basically just kind of suiting my clients' needs and obviously looking for the best rate in this market.
I can say that she does hold the client's hands. She has a lot of relationships with realtors and brokers, a lot of people in the residential side of the industry, on the real estate side of the industry per se, and she does hold people's hands. She explains coverages thoroughly. She shops it thoroughly. It's a big process, a long process to purchase a home or refinance a home. And in her tenure here, she's learned and mastered the art of helping people find a new policy. So I'm personally very proud of her.
Thank you.
And it's not all doom and gloom. It is cyclical. I know that we're going through a very tough phase for the past, I want to say 6-7 years. The industry has been extremely tough and getting tougher, but it is cyclical. So I think that we should be seeing a light at the end of the tunnel very soon. Hoping.
Yes.
Yeah. So the market will bounce back. So can you share a memorable experience or a project that you've worked on here that you're particularly proud of?
Well, there's many because I love insurance, but I'll mention 2. One of them being, we've had a few carriers that go bankrupt. And so here there was one specific carrier that advised us, I think it was at least maybe a week. Imagine how many clients we had in that carrier.
I think it was close to 100 clients.
Oh my God, it was
that we had to run.
And we ran. And so for me, I took pride in doing that because it just goes to show how much
she put on her big girl pants.
Yes, That's one. And the other one is I love networking. I love being in communication and contact with my realtors and my brokers. So we love to give a lot of insurance insight and education to you guys. So that's definitely something that I enjoy as an insurance agent, is passing down my information over to you guys, the realtors and the lenders, so that you guys could be able to have that knowledge to drop down to your clients as well.
That's true. For the past couple of years, what we've been doing is that we visit realtors' office, brokers, title agents. So we go into the real estate side, we cross over that line, right? And we just communicate. We have conversations with our partners, because generally they're partners of ours.
Right.
So we like to educate, we like to let them know how the market is, how the industry is going, any legislation and laws that are affecting our industry, and how to better serve them and their clients. So it's been fun. We've been doing that for a little while. So actually, these are all the questions that I wanted to ask Karen. I'm so glad that you guys are watching. Thank you so much for joining us, Karen.
Thank you.
I want to ask, please stay tuned for our upcoming episodes. We're going to meet the rest of the team in homeowners department, auto department, commercial. We're going to meet the entire staff. So I'm looking forward to that. I hope you are too. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course all social media. Check us out on our website. Sign up for our newsletter, where we have important product information, market, industry trends. So till next time, thank you so much.
Take care.